Welcome to our lecture on managerial economics. In this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts that form the backbone of business decision-making. Managerial economics blends economic theory with practical business applications to solve managerial problems. Analyzing data, evaluating options, and choosing effective strategies for business success are key components. Understanding managerial economics helps managers make well-informed decisions that positively impact organizational performance. In this lecture, we'll cover topics such as economic theory, decision-making processes, and strategic planning. We'll see how these concepts guide managers in achieving competitive advantage and market efficiency. Join us as we delve into these topics, providing a structured approach to applying economic principles in everyday business scenarios. By the end, you'll understand how to utilize managerial economics to enhance your decision-making process and drive business success. Let's start with the basic economic principles that form the foundation of managerial economics. We'll delve into core concepts such as supply and demand and explore different market structures. First, we'll discuss the basic economic principles. These serve as the building blocks for understanding how economies function and businesses operate within them. Concepts like scarcity, opportunity cost, and marginal analysis are crucial for making informed managerial decisions. Next, we'll dive into the law of supply and demand, which explains how the availability of goods and the desire for them dictate market prices. Understanding this interplay helps managers predict market behavior and make strategic decisions to optimize operations. We'll also explore various market structures, from perfect competition to monopolies and everything in between. Each market structure has its own characteristics and strategic implications, guiding pricing strategies, product development, and competitive positioning. Consider how these principles apply to your business. How does supply and demand affect your pricing strategies? What market structure do you operate in, and how can it influence your competitive strategy? By grasping these foundational theories, you're setting the stage for more advanced topics in managerial economics. They act as a toolkit for navigating the complexities of business decision-making. Stay tuned as we continue this journey through the intricate world of managerial economics. Next, we'll delve into the decision-making process in managerial economics. Decision-making is a critical managerial function influenced by economic theory to enhance business strategy. A systematic approach allows managers to identify and evaluate all possible options before making informed choices. Cost-benefit analysis is pivotal. Quantifying potential costs and benefits aids in weighing alternatives and selecting the best path. Another essential aspect is addressing risk and uncertainty. Business decisions often carry inherent risks due to unpredictable market conditions and external factors. Economic theory provides tools for risk analysis, helping managers assess probable outcomes and manage uncertainties effectively. Understanding these elements enables managers to navigate complex scenarios, optimize resource allocation, and drive better results. As we proceed, you'll see how these principles integrate into strategic planning, giving businesses a competitive edge. Managerial economics is a cornerstone of strategic planning. It provides the analytical tools needed to make informed decisions that drive business success. First, let's delve into strategic planning. Understanding the economic environment helps businesses navigate market complexities. Gaining a competitive advantage is critical. Through managerial economics, we can identify factors that set a business apart by analyzing market trends, consumer behavior, and competitor actions to carve out a unique marketplace position. Market analysis is another vital component. Applying economic principles, we can evaluate market conditions, forecast trends, and make strategic decisions that enable businesses to thrive. Accurate market analysis informs product development, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns, ensuring alignment with consumer demand. These elements form the backbone of effective business strategies. By integrating managerial economics into strategic planning, competitive advantage, and market analysis, businesses can make decisions that fuel growth and sustainability. Understanding the role of managerial economics in these processes not only reinforces theoretical concepts, but also demonstrates their practical utility. We'll explore real-world case studies illustrating successful applications, providing a concrete understanding of their impact. As we continue our journey, we'll examine examples highlighting the dynamic interplay between economics and strategy, empowering you to leverage managerial economics in your business context. Let's dive into a real-world example to see managerial economics in action. We'll examine a case study to analyze how the theories we've discussed come into play. This example will help us understand the practical application of these theories in a business context. We'll start by outlining the situation, then apply relevant economic principles and decision-making frameworks to navigate the scenario. By evaluating the strategies employed and their outcomes, we can gauge the effectiveness of these theories in real-life settings. This analysis not only solidifies our understanding, but also highlights the direct impact of managerial economics on business decisions. Consider how the insights gained could apply to your own business challenges, enhancing your strategic planning. To further solidify our understanding of managerial economics, let's delve into another real-world case study. This time, we'll observe a different application of the theories we've learned. By examining this example, we'll analyze how these principles come into play and evaluate the outcomes. Each scenario offers unique insights, helping us grasp the versatility and broad applicability of these economic concepts in various business contexts. Understanding different outcomes will not only reinforce our theoretical knowledge, but also enhance our decision-making skills. As we move forward, you'll see how nuanced and impactful these theories can be in practical situations. In the journey of managerial economics, several common challenges can impede progress. These obstacles might range from interpreting complex data to confronting unpredictable market dynamics. But every challenge presents an opportunity for growth. First, let's discuss how to navigate the maze of data. Simplifying complex information using robust analytical tools can make a world of difference. For instance, data visualization can transform overwhelming numbers into actionable insights. Next, dealing with market volatility requires flexibility and foresight. By integrating scenario planning and contingency strategies, businesses can better prepare for the unexpected. Consider the case of Company X, which faced a sudden market shift. By leveraging predictive analytics and agile decision-making, they turned potential disaster into an opportunity for innovation and growth. Overcoming these obstacles is not just theoretical but grounded in real-world application. By understanding and tackling these challenges head-on, businesses can harness the full power of managerial economics. As we conclude this series on managerial economics, let's turn our attention to the future. Emerging trends are set to reshape the landscape, and understanding these changes is crucial. One of the most significant drivers of future change is technology. From artificial intelligence to big data analytics, technological advancements are revolutionizing how businesses operate and make decisions. Future applications of these technologies promise to enhance efficiency, provide deeper insights, and create new opportunities for strategic planning. Staying informed and adaptable to these changes will be essential for success in the evolving business environment. As we move forward, let's embrace these advances and prepare for the future. Thank you for joining us. As we conclude our journey through managerial economics, it's essential to reflect on the key concepts we've covered. We began with foundational economic theories that set the stage for understanding market dynamics and business strategy. We delved into the importance of decision-making, highlighting how cost-benefit analysis and navigating uncertainties play crucial roles in managerial decisions. We explored practical applications through detailed case studies, demonstrating how these theories translate into real-world scenarios. We identified common challenges and provided strategies to overcome them, empowering you to navigate complex business landscapes. Finally, we looked ahead to future trends, considering the impact of technology and emerging patterns in the field. In essence, managerial economics equips you with tools to make informed, strategic business decisions, driving success and innovation. The principles we've discussed are practical tools for real-life challenges. Stay curious, apply these concepts, and keep evolving as skilled managers and professionals. Now let's transition to our final segment, which will offer actionable steps and resources to continue your learning journey. We encourage you to apply the knowledge you've gained from this lecture on managerial economics. Explore further learning resources to deepen your understanding. Your engagement is essential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Keep learning and applying these concepts to excel in your professional journey.